Well, good morning. We're still working on this. Yeah, I'm being lazy right now, but I bought a shovel and this push cart, which is 4 cubic feet of this stuff, and I've hauled 5 of them now. So, which means I've hauled what, 20 cubic feet of this junk out of here. This is why you gotta maintain your house. You know, you gotta maintain your stuff. You gotta come by the house once in a while and clean up. I have not cleaned up. Nobody has cleaned up this driveway in probably like 2 years at least. And so I am being lazy. I'm making a video, and I'm trying to move some of this stuff on down to the end. Let me show you. So I'm trying to move it down there to the end, not to shove it off the end over there, but to be able to scoop it up. Although shoving it off the end isn't a bad idea. So that lip back there, what the hell was that? Ow, I know what it was, never mind. That lip back there, that lip back there on the back where it drops off, which isn't too big of a deal, I suppose. But I could fill that with this stuff that's on the ground. I didn't even think of that. So getting the Suburban moved was a lot of fun. I had to get the pickup truck in here and push it back because it doesn't run, and everything. And then I got it back far enough that the back tires were on that lip, and I could not move it any further than that. And so I had to turn around and push it like another 2 feet, and then I turned back around and was able to get up onto the pavement, onto the concrete, and push it forward some more. So it was like, okay. But anyway, this is what we're doing right now. Yep. And then here in a little while, I'm going to go in and work in the back room and try to straighten up that back room and everything, get it done. But, yep, this is what we're doing. So, you can enjoy with me the art of me trying to move crap with water. I'm getting ready to move it with the shovel, though. So I'm sitting there earlier and I'm thinking to myself, like, why not just push all that stuff off the edge, you know? And I've got a brand new broom that I just bought. I'm thinking, like, man, that's what I should do. Just push all that stuff off the edge. I still have to get in, like, crevices and stuff, so I need another broom, which I didn't get. I didn't think about it yesterday, but that's the broom handle to the brand new broom that I just bought that's broken. So we're gonna hop in the pickup truck and go to the next little town over. They have a Tractor Supply, and I'm gonna pick up a whisk broom to get in the corners, and I'm gonna pick up another push broom, but like a much better one. That's not plastic, and come back and finish up the job. So another couple hours, I should be done. All right. Yeah, it still needs to be cleaned up right there, but still, I did it. It's all done. Don't have to worry about it now. So, okay. I put the trough up and put water in it. It's still too cold, but man, a dip right now feels really good. So, I think that's what I'm about to go do. Just for a minute. And then I'm going to come back in and get started on the rest of what I need to do this weekend before I go. So, well, this weekend, what is it, Tuesday? Yeah. Well, the rest of this home time before I go. So, okay. I'm well aware this isn't going to last long. It's because the water's fucking freezing. But oh no, it floats the thing. It always floats the thing. Okay. I gotta like sit down. Ooh, that's cold. Oh, 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 of course. That's really cold. Okay. Okay, I think I'll be alright. No hypothermia. I'll be okay. Whew. Well, today's other project was to do something with this back room, which I have done. Now, it doesn't look like a whole lot because there's stuff in here or whatever, but all of this area was jam-packed with stuff from the van from before I went camping. And all this stuff was just kind of strewn about in the middle of the room and everything. So over there are some decorations I haven't put up yet. But yeah, so it's not clean. I need to sweep, which I'm about to do. But other than that, it's way better than it was. I wish I would have remembered to get video before I started so I could show you guys, but it's definitely way better than it was. Alright, I'm gonna sweep. Honestly, I think that pretty much wraps up my day as far as the house is concerned. I keep thinking about like other stuff I could be doing, but I don't know what the other stuff is that I could be doing. Like, I replaced all the lights and the light fixtures in this room and that room. There are things I don't know how to do. So, the kitchen still needs to be finished. The bathroom still needs to be finished. And I just don't know how to do that, any of that stuff. So, I'm unfamiliar with how to do it. I could be watching, I guess, videos about how to do it or whatever, but, I don't know. I could be doing research. But in what? I don't know. I feel like I've worked pretty hard for the last couple of days. I do need to go eat something. I don't know. I don't want to sit here and watch TV for the next few hours before I get up tomorrow and leave, but I'm not opposed to it either, if you know what I mean. So, but I need to find something to do, I think. But anyway, that's it for today, and I will see you guys tomorrow. So, you guys know the drill. Keep your shine side up. See you down the road.